Okay, so welcome back. We're going to do some more examples of things that you will run into. Okay, so here we go. So these are 4 examples we're going to work on. So the first one, again, we're going to set it up vertically. So this is going to be 3.5 minus 1 1/3. Now these do not have common denominators. So I'm going to change these to common denominators. So this is going to equal what? This is going to equal 3/6, and this is equal to 2/6. Now I'm going to subtract. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So I get 1/6. So I get 2 1/6. And that's the answer. Okay. Now what about this one? Now the cool thing about this one is that 8 is a multiple of 4. So I don't have to change this one. So if I write this one, and I'll write it over here. So 5 1/4 minus 2 3/8. Well, I can just write this as 2/8, right? And so subtract 5 minus 2 is 3, and 2 minus 3, well, oops, I can't subtract 3 from 2, right? So what do? I borrow. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the 3. That's going to leave me 2. Now, where does the 1 go? It goes up here. So I'm going to add 1 to here. So what is the 1 going to look like? Well, it's based on the denominator. So how am I going to add 1? I'm going to add it as a fractional 1 of 8/8. And so this is going to equal what? 10/8. So now I can do 10 minus 3, which gives me 7/8. So the answer is 2 7/8. Okay? Not bad. Now, what about this one? Well, here, if I set this up, again, I'm going to set it up over here, 4 5/16 minus 2. Well, just 2, right? That's it. If you want to put a 0 here, this is just like a 0, right? There's nothing to subtract, right? So this is just going to drop down. So it's going to be 4 minus 2, which is 2, and then 5/16. No big deal. Easy peasy. Okay, now. Excuse me. So now what about this one? Well, let's set this one up. So this is going to be 8 minus 3 2/3. Okay, now I'm going to do 8 minus 3 is 5. But here I've got 0 up here, right? Well, I'm subtracting something from nothing. I can't do that. So again, this is bigger than this, so that means I'm going to have to borrow. So I'm going to take 1 from the 4. Now I'm going to add 1 up here. So that'll be 3/3. And so now I subtract, and I'm going to get 4 1/3. So my answer is 4 1/3. Have a great day.